This is our double station soldering robot R501DT. And here you can see in the front are all the buttons. The temperature system and the Y station, Y2 station, start, stop, reset, and emergency stop button. And here is the soldering system. This one is our standard 600 watt solder head for some big solder joints soldering. And here we can find the touch screen here. It is a human machine interface for displaying the whole soldering process in real time, and we can operate it. Yeah, we can choose the languages. But before this, we should log in the authorization administrator or authorization level first. The password 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, login. Then we can set it here. Yeah, we can find the languages here and change the languages. English version in the middle. Okay, save it. Yeah. Confirm and exit. And also we can operate our machine by our wireless controller. We can find the controller here on there is a small cabinet on the top for placing the controller. Yeah, we can see the controller. Here we use it for moving the axis, and here is a mouse, and here for program. That's all. This is our standard double station soldering robot with motion range for 500 times 350 times 350 times 100 times 320 degrees.